Is it slow?
No. Okay. What's going on, guys? It's Edwin B99 back to you with another video. So, damn, that was horrible. I'm about to restart that. What's going on, guys? It's Edwin B99, aka Lil Cherry 42 in the fucking cut. Schlat. So, the reason my hair is up, and I'm getting stupid notifications. So, the reason my hair up right now is weird is I just showered and I just got done air drying my hair because my jet extensions from Dsoar Hair just came in. And I'm about to do them. About to section out my hair and get some more dreads. My hair is about 3.5, about 3 inches long. 3 more inches and I'd probably do what I did up here, but I don't want the sides to be shorter than the top, if that makes any sense. So now we're about to get into the straight unboxing. Yeah. Alright, here we go. Got the handy dandy knife. There, that's about as good as it's gonna get. It came with a free gift that I didn't want, but my girlfriend wanted it, so if that's in there, it's in there. It's like a purple white box. It says 100% human hair, Dsoar Hair. Oh, I can't even open this. Oh, what's on the back? Hair wash, hair care, but the difference is this isn't a wig, these are dreads. And again, I ordered the same ones that Gunther the Great ordered from his link, so here we go. This is the free gift that my girlfriend wanted, so she gets that. It comes with these dread jewelry, and it comes with a crochet hook. And these are obviously longer than mine, and I gotta cut them to my actual size. So let's pull these out. Down for a second. Well, first look and first feel is they're a little shiny for my taste. But this, I mean, they're soft. They'll probably get tighter over time. And again, the only reason why I'm installing these into my hair is, look, there's a daily dose of cat right there. There's the other cat. So the only reason I'm installing these is because I want to get dreads on the side.
Hey, be nice one.
I want to get dreads on the side, and am I on the screen? Am I in focus? The only reason why I want to install these is because I want to get dreads on the side, but if I get dreads now, they're going to be really small compared to the ones on my actual head. And what I want to do is put these in, and as the new growth sets in, as my hair grows, it'll dread up. So I'll keep interlocking like I interlock these, and as the new growth goes, they'll interlock and they'll dread up. So by the time my hair grows long, I'll just cut the extensions out, and then it'll be 100% my real hair. So it's not. So I'm getting fake dreads, but at the same time, it's because I'm growing out my hair so that my real hair dreads out. Unlike other people that just keep these in for like a week or two and then pull them out and then pretend like they have dreads, because we ain't fucking with that bullshit here. But in this channel, this is 100% real. But like I said, I'm admitting these are fake dreads. But the only reason I'm getting them is because I'm growing out my hair so that the rest of my hair is dreaded. And I'm not doing the rest of my head. I'm just doing the sides. Like, I'm just doing one more row, 10 more dreads, or one more row. So I'd be up to 22 dreads. And again, like if I was going to get the rest of my head full of dreads, then I'll just grow it out. But the thing is, I still want to fade, and I don't want to just have this long hair for the next like another 8 months while I grow out my dreads. And like I was saying, is even then they're gonna be shorter than the ones on top, and that's really gonna bother me. And it's gonna bother me. And who gives a fuck? I mean, honestly, who gives a fuck what you or anyone else thinks? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna see how I like it. If I don't end up liking having these in, then I'll just take them out. But my main focus of having these in is so that my hair is longer as my dreads grow. Am I not in focus?
You're good.
Alright. So yeah, right now I'm gonna quit this. Other than that, they're good. They feel good quality. It says 100% real hair. I don't know if these are real hair or not. They feel soft. They'll probably tighten up over time. And like I said, I'm just gonna loop these into the side. Not my actual dreads to these. I'm about to section these out and do that. And as time goes, my hair will dread up with the new growth, and then I'll have actual dreads of my hair, and then I'll just cut these fake ones off, and then these will be long. Again, if they don't work out, then I'll let you guys know. I'll do. I'm gonna do a weekly update from this, and then once I reach to at least 2 months, then I'm just gonna start doing monthly updates and see how that works out. But as of so far, there's 10. They're a little shiny, like I said, in person. It's a little different to my color hair now because my hair has been sun bleached over months of being in the sun, and I have bleach tips, but I don't really care about that. But compared to the side of my hair, it's pretty accurate, isn't it?
Mhm.
It's pretty accurate, so it should look fine. But catch that video. This video is just an unboxing. Again, it comes with all this jewelry that I don't like because I don't wear colors. I just do the gold ones. Nice packaging. Actually shows it pretty quickly, even with me ordering it on Sunday, and FedEx or their shipping had like a little vacation, like a 4-day vacation, and didn't work. It still got here on Tuesday. So if you're doing this for a customer or something, it gets here pretty quick. If I were to order this, like let's say any other time on Monday, it probably would have shown up on Thursday or Friday. So yeah, peace out. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat at ColeKid1, Instagram at LilChubby42, in the cut. Fuck slick. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, go watch my fucking videos. Go hit up my SoundCloud. Links are all in the description. So bye.